guys, it's Sue and welcome back to Beauty Fortified, and if you're new here, welcome. And today I wanted to share with you my 3 top vitamin C serums. Now, vitamin C is an awesome antioxidant. It helps to scavenge free radicals on our skin, and those are the things that lead to the breakdown of collagen and elastin in our skin. It also fights inflammation, and it also protects us from the harmful rays of the sun, specifically UVB. And it also works as a great protectant of our skin barrier. So it really does have a 4 or 5 pronged approach when it comes to our skin. And so I believe that it's something that should be in everyone's skin regimen. But there is a lot of information out there, and it can be overwhelming when you come to choose which one is right for you. So I have 3 here. I have one that is very high end, I have one that's kind of mid-range, and then I have a drugstore vitamin C. Now, there has been a lot of research on L-ascorbic acid. It is the most researched form of vitamin C, but there are others around as well. Another one being ascorbyl glucoside, which I have found really does agree with my skin as well. So I wanted to take you through the ones that I recommend and that I've tried. I have tried many over the years, and these are the 3 that really stick out for me. So if you are looking for a vitamin C serum and you are a little bit overwhelmed, hopefully this will go some way towards helping you just to clarify a few things. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is the Clarins Bright Plus, and it comes in a beautiful 30 ml bottle. So all the ones I'm talking about are 30 ml, and this one is it's a white milky serum, and it comes out looking like this, and it really is beautiful. It absorbs beautifully into the skin. I use my vitamin C serum in the morning after my cleanse, so it's the first active ingredient that I'll put on after I've cleansed my face, and I really enjoyed this one from Clarins. Now, the vitamin C in here is ascorbyl glucoside, so it's the 3rd ingredient on the list. And I have had very good results with ascorbyl glucoside. It is a very stable form of vitamin C, and that's what this one contains, along with a whole lot of other ingredients. It does come in some beautiful heavyweight packaging with a very elegant dropper. Just in terms of price, so 30 ml or 1 ounce retails for $81, and that's 965 Rand. So it is on the pricier side. So it really does last a long time because you only need the smallest amount. But this one, it is really a beautiful luxury product, and one that I've really enjoyed using. It does have a slight fragrance as well. But really, if you are looking to splurge, then I can recommend this one from Clarins. The next one I have is a kind of mid-range price point, and that is the vitamin C serum from Timeless. Now, this one has ferulic acid and vitamin E in it as well. This is the 30 ml. I think it also comes in a larger size, and this is the 20%. So they do tell you up front that it has got 20% vitamin C, and research does suggest that anything over 8% is going to be effective, but anything over 20% is going to not have an exponential amount of efficacy. So basically 20% is probably the maximum you would use for your skin if you can tolerate it. Now, this one retails for $22 or 540 Rand, and it comes in an airless pump, which is really great because, of course, vitamin C is renowned for its quick oxidization if it's not in a dark glass bottle, if it's exposed to air. So that's what I love about this one. It comes in an airless pump, and I usually keep mine in the fridge. It is quite a watery consistency. I have managed to get a tiny drop out. This, you can see, is quite orange in color, which does mean that the product has oxidized, and that is because I am at the end of this anyway. But very watery consistency. I do find this a little bit more difficult to apply because when you pump it into your hand, it kind of seeps between your fingers, so you have to work very quickly and apply it to your skin as quickly as possible. But I love this one as well. It really absorbs really quickly. You can apply anything over it. It's not going to pull, and really would highly recommend this one. Again, you use this really sparingly, so it is going to last you the longest time. So that's the one that I recommend from Timeless. And then the third one that I recommend is one that I picked up recently, and this is by Revolution Cosmetics, and this is the 12.5% vitamin C, and this retails for $14 or 289 Rand. Now, I've really been very pleasantly surprised with this one. It is the one that I'm currently using at the moment. It also comes in an airless bottle with a pump, so that's really great. It has ascorbic acid as the third ingredient, and it has a kind of milky, lotiony consistency, which looks like that. It absorbs beautifully into the skin. It does leave a little bit of a tacky residue which dries down after about 5 minutes, and thereafter you just apply the rest of your skincare and nothing pulls, nothing balls up or flakes on the skin. So I've really been very pleasantly surprised with this. It does have a slight fragrance as well, which reminds me that the Timeless also has a slight fragrance. That would be the ferulic acid. So it's got a kind of roast meat flavor. I know that sounds quite strange, but when you smell it, you'll understand. But it evaporates quite quickly, as does the one, the Revolution scent as well. So it's not something that is going to linger. So I've really been enjoying this one, and I would highly recommend it as well. It's really great value for money with 12.5% vitamin C. I really think that you can't go wrong. So guys, that's my roundup of my top 3 vitamin C serums. So let me know what yours are. Let me know if there's anything you think that I should try. I'm constantly on the hunt for new vitamin C products. As I say, I have tried many in the past. Some have been dismal fails. These have to be my 3 favorite. But if there are any others that I should be looking at, please let me know. Leave your comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.